Good morning to one and all present over here. Myself Ashna teacher, and I hope you have solved all the revision and that interactive activity based practicing in order to start with this new chapter. Those things are very much required. Welcome back. Stay home, stay safe, stay digital, my dear. We are going to start with a new chapter. Be my multiple, I will be your factor. We have already done what is multiple, how you are supposed to start solving multiples. We have already done that thing. Now over here on the right hand side you can see an image. If you cannot see clearly, you can open the textbook and turn to page number 87. The mouse and the cat. The hungry cat is trying to catch Kunjan the mouse. Kunjan is now on the 14th step and it can jump 2 steps at a time. The cat is on the 3rd step. She can jump 3 steps at a time. If the mouse reaches 28, it can hide in the hole. Find out whether the mouse can get away safely. Tom and Jerry. Just like this, we have a hungry cat and we have Kunjan the mouse. The cat is on step number 3 and mouse is on step number 14. 3, 14. Cat is going to jump 3 steps at a time and the mouse is going to jump 2 steps at a time. On hole number 28, inside this hole the mouse is safe. Now let us see the steps on which the mouse jumps. So mouse is here on 14. And how many steps can the mouse jump? I want you to put your finger on the textbook page on step number 14 so you can solve it with me. As the mouse can jump 2 steps at a time, here it is given. So 14 plus 2, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 20 plus 2, 22. 22 plus 2, 24. 24 plus 2, 26. And 26 plus 2, 28. Now let us see the steps on which the cat can jump. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 3, 21. 21 plus 3, 24. And 24 plus 3, 21. The steps on which both the cat and the mouse jump. These are the common step. Okay. Now search over here 16. Can I see 16 here? No. Can I see 18 here? No. Yes, I can see 18 and 18. So 18 is the common step. 24 and 24 I can see the common step. 18 and 24. So the steps on which both the cat and the mouse had already jumped were 18 and 24. Now can the mouse get away? Can the mouse really be Jerry? Yes. Because this mouse, when it will reach 28, the cat is going to be stuck at 27. So this is how it is going to happen, that the mouse is going to get saved in here. But it is a lucky day. In here we will find out whether the mouse can get away. Can the mouse fool the cat? Let's find out. This you're supposed to do it yourself. I will explain this in very short. Again, keep the page of your textbook open in front of you so you will understand this. If the cat starts jumping from 5th step, put your finger on step number 5 and jumps 5 steps at a time. And the mouse starts from 8th step and it is jumping 4 steps at a time. So here you have to make sure to just remind yourself the multiple of 5 and multiple of 4. If the cat starts from the 5th step and jumps 5 steps at a time, the cat jumps from 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20 and 25th step. Mouse is starting from 8th step, so 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 4, 16, 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus 4, 24. Now, can the mouse get away? This is a hidden metaphor which is asking us, will the cat catch the mouse? So here you have to find out what is the common step. So 10, I cannot see. 15, I cannot see here. Here there is a 20 and here also there is a 20. So this time no mouse cannot get away because cat will easily catch the mouse at 20th step. I hope this is clear to you. Who is Monto waiting for? Please turn your page into page number 88. Monto cat is waiting for somebody. Do you know for whom he is waiting? This is the Monto cat. There's a trick to find out. So just look at the questions down. Mark with a red dot all the numbers which can be divided by 2. In here, which are the numbers which can be divided by 2? In the second question, mark a yellow dot on the numbers which can be divided by 3. Yellow dot on the number which can be divided by 3. So on 3 it will come. 6 yellow dot will come. 9 yellow dot will come. And blue dot on the numbers which can be divided by 4. So blue will come here. On 8 it will come. Blue dot will come on 12. Now again, for common they are asking which are the boxes which have dots of all the 3 colors. So first and foremost you get some 3 crayons, the 3 crayons of which color? Red, yellow and blue. What is happening here, my dear? Tables play an extremely important role, and that is one of the reason I had given you multiples. You are going to, we are going to have a lot of flashback कि हाँ वो multiple दिया था, वो multiple दिया था. So it is very important. वो जब तक solve नहीं होगा, you cannot understand this. Now let us see what is the solution. These are the questions which I told just now. Mark with a red dot all the numbers which can be divided by 2. Yellow dot which can be divided by 3 and blue dot which can be divided by 4. Now, what are the boxes which has dots of all the 3 colors? What are the letters and what are the letters in order? We will solve. These are the colors. Red, yellow, blue. अब red और blue, but यहाँ पे yellow नहीं है. Red, yellow. So our first question is, which are the boxes which have dots of all the 3 colors? You can see on page number 88 of your textbook. So I will take a pen and I will just mark it. So let me mark it here, which are the letters or boxes which has all the 3 colors. So this is 1, 12. Then we have this. Oh, can you find out another one where we have all the 3 colors? 32? No. 34? No. 36? Yes. Then 42? No. 44? No. 48? Yes. And then we have 60. So have a look on these numbers. If you want, you write it in your textbook. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, and the letters are M, O, U, S, E. Next slide. Which are the boxes which have dots on all the 3 colors? We just found out. They were 12, 24, 36, 48 and 60. Which are the letters that were M, O, U, S, E? And if we will arrange it, that is mouse. Commas are not required. So the Monto cat was chasing the mouse. Meow meow game. Now here in this meow meow game, 4th standard, you pretty much remember the yes no game. When you remember the yes no game, you also remember that in one shortcut class and also in one free class, we had played this game. You all were sitting roll number wise, or maybe you were sitting with your partners and I had asked you to start saying the numbers. I told you that whenever the number 5, 10, 15 comes, you are supposed to stand up or you are supposed to put your head down. It was something like this. Similarly, we will be playing this game here. Now what you can do, you can arrange your soft toys, or you can arrange your cars, or you can ask your family members to join you in this game. It goes like that children will be saying the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but there is one condition. The player who has to say 3 or a number which can be divided by 3 will say meow. So on the numbers of 1, 2, meow, 4, 5, meow, 7, 8, meow, 10, 11, meow, 13, 14, meow, and so on. So let us see. Yes, the numbers which we replaced with meow are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and so on. Now whoever says 1, 2, 3, गलती से 3 बोला मतलब out. 1, 2, meow, 4, 5, meow, 7, 8, meow. This is how it is done. You can do it yourself also. We say these numbers are multiples of 3. Play the game by changing the number to 4. So 1, 2, 3, meow. 5, 6, 7, meow. Can you do it? These are the numbers which are the multiples of 4. So 1, 2, 3, meow. That is 4, 8, 12, 16. 10 multiples of 5. What are the 10 multiples of 5? So they are this. This was there in the worksheet. You all pretty much know what is this. Dice game. Throw 2 dice together. Now my dear children, do not throw the dice out of the window. Throw 2 dice together means roll the dice together at the same time. What are the numbers that turn up on the faces of the dice? Make a 2-digit number using them. अभी आप सबने लूडो खेला है तो आपको पता है कि डाइस कैसे यूज करना है, बट एक की जगह 2 डाइस यूज करना है. अब मुझे वो डाई पर 7 नंबर आएगा क्या? बिल्कुल नहीं. या तो 1 आएगा, या 2 आएगा, या 3 आएगा, या 4 आएगा, या दोनों साथ में 5 आएंगे, दोनों साथ में 6 आ सकते हैं. इट कुड बी एनीथिंग. सो यू हैव टू प्ले दिस गेम टुगेदर. व्हेन आई रोल द डाइस, I got 1 and 4. I will tell you what I will be doing of 1 and 4. But here there is one child, there is this girl who got a doubt. She says कि मुझे 3 और 2 मिला है मेरे डाइस पर, so मैंने 23 बनाया उसका. मैंने ज्वाइन किया दोनों नंबर्स को. So जब मैंने ज्वाइन किया, so 23 it is not a multiple of any number, is it? It is not. So उसने चेंज किया, 23 को उल्टा किया, 3 2 किया. So when the girl interchanged it and made it 32, it is a multiple of 4. अब ये डाइस से हमको कौन से मल्टीपल्स ढूंढने हैं, which we will be doing it. So the multiples which you have to find by rolling the dice are 6, 4, 5 and 7. Now here they have given some information. A dice has 6 faces with numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Using all these numbers, taking 2 at a time, we can form the multiples of 6, 4, 5 and 7 as follows. So 6 के कैसे multiple मुझे मिलेंगे? Suppose मैंने जब roll किया तो मुझे 1 और 2 साथ में आ गया, तो 21 होता अगर 3 यहाँ पर होता, बट यहाँ पर 6 है, सो मैं 12 लूंगी. 12, 24, 36, 42. These are the 6 10s are 60 भी होता है, बट 60 को मैं 6 के मल्टीपल में नहीं ले सकती, because my dear children there is no 0 in the die. Same with 4. I've got 12 over here in 6. I can write this in the multiple of 4. 5, these are the numbers which I can get, and 7, these are the numbers. Now I had told you when I had rolled the dice I had got 1 and 4. 14 doesn't come, it is not the multiple of 6, it is not the multiple of 4, it is not the multiple of 5, but it is the multiple of 7. So I will write 14 over here. Now have you understood that whenever we will roll the dice, we will get some number and you have to check कि वो 6, 4, 5 या 7 का मल्टीपल है या नहीं. नहीं है तो वापस से रोल करो. 2 लोगों में जो जल्दी से फाइंड आउट करेगा वो विनर हो गया. दिस इज वेरी सिंपल. आई होप यू विल डू इट. नाउ कॉमन मल्टीपल्स. कॉमन मल्टीपल्स क्या होता है? We will do it with an example. Think of a number. If it is a multiple of 3, write it in this. If it is a multiple of 5, we'll write it over here. So red circle is there, blue circle is there, and there is something called as purple. Purple क्या है? वो दोनों के बीच में आ रहा है. So what is the solution? Multiple of 3 are so many. 3, 6, 9. So here we have taken 2, that is 6 and 36. And for multiple of 5 we have taken 10 and 40. Now there is one child who has a doubt कि 15. Where to put 15? This child is thinking of number 15. So 15, 3 5s are 15 and 5 3s are 15. तो 15 कहाँ पर आना चाहिए? रेड बॉक्स में भी आना चाहिए या ब्लू बॉक्स में आना चाहिए? आना चाहिए. They are given in the textbook. Some numbers are multiples of both 3 and 5. So these are common to both 3 and 5, and this is what is called as common multiple, which you will be doing in this purple box. So let us start with the multiple of 5, 10 and 40. With 3 is 6 and 36. So 15 and 35, 3s are 15, 3 5s are 15. I've written over here. 5 6 are 30 and 3 10s are 30. जो दोनों क्या ही मल्टीपल है वो मैंने पर्पल बॉक्स में लिखा है. अब ये होमवर्क क्या है? आपको दूसरे मल्टीपल्स भी मिले होंगे. So what is the smallest among these common multiples? I want you to do it on your own. And you are going to repeat the same. यहाँ पर 3 है, यहाँ पर 5 है, तो आप ये numbers change करेंगे. यहाँ पर 2 होना चाहिए और यहाँ पर 7 होना चाहिए. And you will find out the common multiples. I will give you one example. You know, here it could be 14. 2 7s are 14, 7 2s are 14. So 14 is one common multiple of this. You know, in this box you can write that. But I want you to try it on your own. Repeat the game by putting the multiples of 4, 6 and 5 in the circles. Again multiples. Now those who have solved that, you know, worksheet, it will be very simple for you. You will be doing it like within, you know, minutes, and you would be like, अरे वाह, ये तो पूरा हो गया आज का. So now here I put this, you know, space over here. So in your notebook or in your rough book or somewhere in your textbook, you can write down all the multiples of 4. Down you will write 6 is equal to multiples of 6. Here you will write 5 is equal to multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20. अब ये questions में देखो बोला क्या है? हमको ये multiples लिखना है, ठीक है, but क्या करना क्या है? What common multiples of 5 and 6 did you write in green part? अब उन्होंने खुद ने कहा है कि जो 6 और 5 का common multiple है, that we will write in green part. The multiple of 6 and 4 we will be writing in orange part. The multiple of 4 and 5 we will be writing in purple part. So what is this thing for? This gray part is for what? This gray part is for the multiple of 6, multiple of 4 and multiple of 5. But which multiple? Common multiple, which is common to 4, which is common to 6 and which is common to 5, we will be writing in the gray part. But before this we will have to solve it. So here we go in the next slide. This is the solution. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. अब 12 यहाँ पर लिखो because 6 2s are is also 12. So 4 and 6, 12 is common to both. So I have written in the orange part. Same over here. 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 5 Over here 5 fours is also 20, so I have written over here. Again 4 6 are 24, 6 4s are 24, so common part it is there. So similarly, when we will keep on solving it, we will understand which is the common to both. 6 और 4 का common हमें orange में लिखना है, 5 and 4 का common multiple हमें purple में लिखना है, और 5 और 6 का common हमें green part में लिखना है. I hope this is clear to you. और ये जो तीनों का common है वो हमें ये grey part में लिखना है. So of course you'll have to go with the at least 10 multiples you will have to write, and from that you will be doing it. Now what are the questions? What common multiples of 5 and 6 did you write in the green part? In the green part, which is the common multiple that you have written? So it is 30 and 60. So here is the answer. What common multiples of 4 and 6 are written in the orange part? So 12 and 24 are the common multiples which we have written in the orange part. In which colored part did you write the common multiple of 4? You have written the common multiple of 6 and you have written the common multiple of 5. So the common multiple of all these three is written in the grey part, that is 60. 60 is the smallest common multiple of 4, 6 and 5. Is that clear? I hope you have understood everything. If there is a doubt, you can ask me in the Zoom class. Also, you can go through the video over and over again. You can pause the video. I am also sending you the PDF so that it will be clear to you. And please do the revision so that you will be able to understand these concepts very clearly. We will see you on 27th. Thank you so much for your cooperation and take care. Goodbye, my dear children.